I want to inform you that we have just met with the Secretary to the State Government, Barrister Osarodion Ogie, who you know is a member of the Nigerian Bar Association and of the Benin branch. And he has received an acknowledged letter from the National. That's in compliance with the National's directive, duly signed by the 5 branches of the Nigerian Bar Association Benin, in Edo State. And he has also had time to discuss with us to the effect that the government of Edo State is amenable to ensuring the compliance with financial autonomy for the judiciary as contained in the Constitution. And that all we need to do is to fashion out a date, which he said is going to communicate to the members of the bar, so that we meet as a committee for the purpose of implementation, amongst other issues which will be looked at. And then, of course, he has assured us that he has done some interventions in the judiciary, but that notwithstanding, he is committed to ensuring that Section 121, Subsection 3 of the 1999 Constitution as amended is implemented. And we are grateful to him in advance, and we believe that in a short while, as they have assured us, they will reach out to members of the bar so that we have all this sorted out. I think he has also guaranteed that a meeting will be kind of fixed for members of the bar, between the members of the bar and the governor, and then the relevant stakeholders to ensure implementation of the Section 121, Subsection 3. And my brother of the Our Chief branch was also with us at the session. I'm sure he has something to also say.
We had a very fruitful discussion with the SSG to the state government of Edo State. And arising from that, we are going to have another meeting with His Excellency, the Governor of Edo State, so that as already guaranteed under Section 121 sub 3 of the Constitution, the implementation of the judicial autonomy for the judiciary is going to be implemented. So we are hopeful and optimistic that that is not going to take time to have. Thank you.